Oh, welcome back. It's probably been about 2 years since we parked it and we haven't started it. So we got the jump box and a battery. Let's see if this old girl will start again. Let's see if she's going to crank over just with the battery. I'll have to turn the fuel on. So let's see how this goes. Choke. No contact. Well, looks like I got bad contacts for the push button system. Alright, so we got the battery in. So we threw the jump box on it. We might need to pull the carb off and clean it. But we'll give it another try here and see if she will fire up or I'll need to pull the carb off. Okay, I think we might have found a problem. Oh, little buggers. Little fucking ants. Goddamn freaking ants. Freaking ants. See how my points look. Oh, must be out of power again. Damn it. Well, we'll probably have to clean the points or put new points in. Goddamn ants got into it, so. Oh, what a drag.